Have you ever stopped to think about how much AI has changed our world already? It feels like just yesterday it was something out of a science fiction movie. But here we are in 2026, and AI isn't just experimental anymore. It's infrastructure. It's woven into the very fabric of our daily lives. Right now, AI can write articles, compose beautiful music, design stunning visuals, and even generate entire videos from a simple text prompt. It's helping doctors diagnose diseases with incredible accuracy and speeding up the discovery of life-saving drugs. The cars we see on the streets are getting smarter, some driving themselves, all powered by AI. And it's not just about big industries. AI is becoming our personal partner. It's the tutor that helps our kids with homework, the therapist offering a listening ear, and the co-pilot that makes us more productive at work. It can sift through mountains of data in seconds, finding patterns that would take a human years to uncover. We're officially in what I call the AI co-pilot era, where humans and AI work hand in hand to achieve things we never thought possible. But here's the thing. What we're seeing now, this is just the warm-up act. The main event is still to come. What's really brewing, just beneath the surface, is a quiet revolution. And this is where things get truly mind-blowing. Most people see AI as a tool that answers questions or follows commands. But the next wave is something entirely different. We're talking about the emergence of autonomous AI agents. These aren't just assistants. They are digital entities that can think for themselves. Imagine an AI system that doesn't just wait for your instructions. Instead, you give it a complex multi-step goal, like launch my new online business, and it gets to work. It will plan the entire strategy, from market research to website design. It will make decisions on its own, like choosing the best marketing channels. It will execute the tasks, hiring freelancers, writing ad copy, and managing the budget. And most importantly, it will learn from the results, constantly tweaking its approach to be more effective. We're shifting from AI that just answers our questions to AI that runs entire operations. This isn't about replacing humans, but about creating powerful partners that can handle complex, long-term projects with minimal supervision. Think of it like having an entire team of experts available 24/7, dedicated to achieving your goals. So, where is this all heading by 2029? We're on the brink of the agent-based economy. This is a world where autonomous AI agents aren't just a novelty. They're the new workforce. Imagine millions of these agents performing tasks across every industry. You could have an AI agent that manages your personal finances, automatically investing and saving to meet your retirement goals. Businesses will deploy AI agents to handle supply chains, customer service, and even product development. These agents will communicate and collaborate with each other, forming a dynamic, intelligent network that runs our global economy. Your personal AI agent might negotiate with the supplier's AI agent to get the best price on materials, all happening in milliseconds. This will unlock a level of productivity and efficiency that is almost unimaginable today. It's a future where creativity and strategic thinking become the most valuable human skills, because the grunt work, the operational complexities, will be handled by our autonomous AI counterparts. Now, this transition won't be without its challenges. It's going to fundamentally change the job market and raise important questions about ethics and control. What jobs will become obsolete? How do we ensure these powerful systems are aligned with human values? How do we prevent misuse? These are the critical conversations we need to be having right now. But the potential upside is immense. By automating the mundane and the complex, we can free up human potential to focus on what we do best: innovation, empathy, and building relationships. We could solve some of humanity's biggest problems, from climate change to disease, by letting these superintelligent agents tackle the heavy lifting. The key is to prepare. We need to focus on education, reskilling our workforce for the jobs of the future, and developing strong ethical guidelines. The next few years are going to be a wild ride. The age of autonomous AI is dawning, and it will reshape our world in ways we're only just beginning to imagine. It's not science fiction anymore. It's the reality that's unfolding right before our eyes. Physical AI plus robotics AI, moving from the cloud into the physical world. Self-operating warehouses, home robots, AI-powered medical assistants, AI in scientific discovery. AI is already designing new materials, accelerating cancer research, simulating protein structures in hours instead of decades. Digital twins, entire cities, companies, even human organs simulated in AI models for prediction and optimization. The next 2 to 3 years, 2027, 2029, now. Here's the part most people aren't prepared for. AI that thinks in systems. Instead of responding to prompts, AI will understand long-term context. Manage projects. Coordinate other AI systems. Please remember this: AI won't replace humans. It will amplify the ones who know how to use it. AI-driven cities. Traffic, energy, healthcare, law enforcement, optimized in real time. Brain-computer interfaces early phases. Humans beginning to interact with machines through neural signals. We are at the edge of human-AI symbiosis. AI plus quantum synergy, early exploration. When AI meets quantum computing, problem-solving speeds may become unimaginable. Not science fiction. Early groundwork is already happening. The real question: the future of AI is not, will it take jobs? The real question is, will humans evolve fast enough to collaborate with it? What will be hard? Ethical alignment. Information overload. Skill adaptation. Emotional intelligence in a hyper-intelligent world. The people who will thrive. Lifelong learners, system thinkers. Emotionally intelligent leaders. Tech-curious minds. What if I told you? We are living in the calm before the biggest intelligence shift in human history. AI today writes, designs, diagnoses, and drives. But in the next 3 years, it will manage systems, coordinate cities, accelerate science, and collaborate with human minds. This isn't about machines replacing humans, it's about humans upgrading. The future belongs to those who learn how to think with intelligence, not compete against it. We are no longer building tools. We are building intelligence. The future does not belong to the strongest. It belongs to the most adaptable, the most curious, the most aware. We are not witnessing the rise of machines. We are witnessing the evolution of intelligence. So, what are your thoughts on this? Are you excited, nervous, or a bit of both? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching our IT Step-by-Step channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights into our incredible future.